WWE. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Philip Ray YouTube channel. Guys, if you read the title of today's video, we're going to build a home gym. So the background behind this is we're going to a family property that has a garage full of crap, double garage. We're going to build a homemade style gym in there. We've already got some gym equipment. Obviously, this is episode 1. First things first, today we're going to go over there. We're going to clean out the whole garage. We've got a big skip bin already ordered, sitting out front waiting for us. But I'm kind of hungry, so today we're going to go through. Well, we're there right now. We're going to go through Hungry Jack's or Burger King, whichever. Hungry Jack's, and we're going to grab a vegan burger. So get a feed. Drove over to this garage of ours and start cleaning it out. Hope you guys enjoy the show. Me too. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes. So this is lunch for today. This is a Rebel Whopper. Apparently this is vegetarian. And the difference between the vegetarian and the vegan Whoppers is that the vegetarian one has egg in it, as well as cheese, which isn't vegan, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to see how it is. The first time having a vegetarian burger.
Not bad.
Oh, fucking lettuce dropping everywhere. Shit.
It's bland, baby.
Oh. Not bad. Good size. Should have fed this guy now. He keeps hanging around. He's my mate or something. The burger was actually not bad, not bad. Would I do it again? Probably not. However, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smack that little ding dong notification bell to make sure you're notified every time one of my videos comes up. I'll be uploading videos on a regular basis, so make sure you're part of the notification squad. Look at this big ass skip bin. Not sure if it's going to be big enough, but we'll find out. But here we are at the location, and this is the future gym. This whole garage is going to get cleaned out, all this junk cleaned out. Welcome to the Filipino Mums Club. Everyone, all the Filo mums like to hoard stuff. So we're basically going to turn this into our...
We got mirrors.
We got mirrors, yes.
You know what?
Good setup. This is going to be our gym.
You know what? I want mirrors. Or could be there.
I reckon, you know what I'll do? Why don't you put mirrors all there and all there, right? And then here, I'll paint a mural for you. I'll paint something for you. You want me to paint like Arnold or some shit? Or like a...
I'm gonna put all.
Wait, just wait. I need to smoke.
You need to smoke?
Yeah.
Start,
To talk
man.
first.
Listen.
See, when you chop down a tree,
Fuck, here we go.
you spend. If you got 6 hours,
Yep.
you spend 5 hours sharpening the axe.
Playing with yourself. Sharpening the axe. That's right.
Sharpening the axe.
That's
Wait,
it.
Stanley knife. That's gonna take 1,000 years.
Stanley knife's going to take 1,000 years. I reckon I'm going to paint a picture here. None of you guys are taking me serious, but...
Yeah, go and do it.
What should I paint? Some bodybuilding murals.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be sick. 2 guys and a girl. Yeah, 2 bodybuilders and a girl, and a chick.
Yeah.
And then at the bottom we'll put brazos.
Maybe.
Look at this. This is the first bunch of equipment and these squat rack. Sorry, these squat stands. And a stack of dumbbells. Pretty good. Anyways, we're gonna get started. Emptying this bad boy out.
You had 2.5. I could have used this.
What's happening, guys? Pretty much 1 hour in, and this is what we're working with so far. Pretty much did probably two-thirds of the garage emptied out.
Okay, half.
Nah, this is more than half. Definitely more than half. But the bin now is pretty much filled to the brim. We can't fill it over the rim. Otherwise, we'll get in trouble for it. Or they'll actually, I don't know if they'll fine us or what, but it says specifically on the bin, do not fill above the rim. So we're going to leave it at that.
I can still flatten it.
We can still flatten it, probably jump on top and squash it down a bit. Look at this guy, whipping. Show us the guns, Christian. So we're pretty much gonna clean up a bit more today. Probably put this table and chair set up outside in the backyard, and then tidy up. And the rest of this stuff we're gonna put in front of the house because the council's got a rubbish pickup next week, so they can take the rest of this stuff, and hopefully we'll have a nice clean room.
Just make sure you don't break your ankle.
WWE.
Don't break your ankle.
Oh, watch out, you're gonna fall through the roof.
Put this.
Mind the way. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to what will be day 2 of the home gym build. First day was quite a success. Spent a lot of time basically just cleaning out everything. Basically 2/3 of the way there. Gonna go over to the property today, right now actually, and gonna finish off and see what else we can do. However, on the way, we're gonna grab some lunch, my favorite, Guzman and Gomez. Gonna get some fat burrito bowls.
Hi guys, welcome
Hi.
to the
Can I get a mild barramundi bowl
Yes,
with extra barramundi?
yes.
And can I get also get a pulled pork bowl, mild,
Yes.
and a large bottle of Coke no sugar? Oh, thank you. Boom, look at that. Yes. That's lunch, done and dusted. Guzman and Gomez, 10 out of 10 as per usual. I could eat Guzman every day. Actually, you know what? I was thinking about doing a video where every day for a month I eat Guzman and Gomez on a cut or on a bulk. I don't know. If that's the type of video that you guys want to see, me eating Guzman every day for a month, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And if I get enough support, I'll actually do it. But now we're going to head over to the property and get day 2 started. Let's go.
Before chucks the frames, the artwork.
What artwork?
My mum's
Oh, he
artwork.
chucked them. So, this is how it's looking so far. Don't look like much. Oh, don't look like much yet. However, it's definitely on its way, and it's a much improvement from what it was originally. Filipino mum style hoarding. Just waiting for Christian to get here. Give us a tour. So what are we doing, Christian?
All these plants.
First thing we're gonna do is clean all this side of the
So
house.
all these plants, this, everything except the coils and the tires, we'll put it at the front. We're gonna clear the tool shed. Put it at the. We can put it at the side. So when it's clear, we can have the chairs in there and this car stuff. in
Show us the tool shed.
Show us your tool shed. Hey?
there. It's filled with stuff.
Just filled with random.
And
fucking
random
stuff.
from like who knows when, what, how. Dusty.
So we should get it.
Let's check it out.
What is this like cabinetry thing?
This is what we're looking like so far.
Look at this weapon.
We've got weapons, medieval weapons from the 1600s. Everything cleaned out. Gonna give it a good clean down.
I don't like this.
You don't like it? No, leave it. It looks good. Storage.
I want to get rid of this and this.
I want to chuck it out. You need shelving. Otherwise, where's everything going to be on the floor?
Yeah.
I reckon leave that. Chuck all the little shit out. We'll give it a good sweep and fucking clean the floor. And done. Nice and clean. So just to give you guys some context around what we're aiming to achieve, this is basically what the garage looks like now, fully cleaned out. We've got some really old crappy white walls and some terracotta looking tiles that we want to kind of cover up. Ideally, we would like to basically just paint the walls a nice fresh coat of black paint and install some proper rubber gym flooring to really kind of modern up the whole room. And obviously with the final design, we'd like to throw in some gym equipment in the right places. There are a few pieces of equipment that we must have. That would include a proper squat rack for obvious reasons, and then a proper bench press that would include an incline and flat, possibly decline, an array of storage options for bags, supplements, and plates, as well as a full proper rack of dumbbells of all sizes and weights. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stick around for episode 2. Hadouken!